Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Abbott BinaxNOW Legionella Urinary Antigen card. You can see this here. It says Abbott BinaxNOW Legionella Urinary Antigen card. You can see this. This is a 22 test kit pack and can be stored in room temperature. You can see the reference part number for this. I'll just show you around the box. You can see this here. It's manufactured in the US. You can see this this side. You can see the lot number and the manufacturing and the expiry date. You can see this here. Okay, thank you. I'm going to unbox this for you. Inside the box you can see there is a booklet, the instruction booklet, which has the complete details about the total test and the contents inside. You can see it says BinaxNOW Legionella Antigen card, urinary antigen card, and there is another card. You can see this. This is how it looks. There is a card. This card you can see is a sample procedure card. This is called sample procedure card. You can see this is a sample procedure card. So you have the sample procedure card, and inside you can see one positive control swab. You can see the positive control swab. You can see this here. Legionella positive control swab. You can see the reference number and the lot number. The positive control swab, and there is one negative control swab. You can see this here. And there is one buffer liquid, dilute liquid. You can see this here. It says BinaxNOW Legionella reagent. It's a 5 ml bottle. You can see. Just keep it here. And inside you have swabs, patient swabs. You can see there's a patient swabs, 22 swabs for the 22 test cartridges. You can see this here. You can see there's a. You can see individual swabs are there. So you have 22 swabs here actually. Okay, keep it here. And see it's individually sterile pack. You can see this here. Keep it here. Okay. And then inside you can see there are 22 test cartridges. I'll pull 2 for you. So just keep it assigned, aligned. So here is both the sides are kept here. You can see it says Legionella. You have the expiry period here, a lot number, 1 cartridges per pack, and the back side is plain. This is how the total test kits looks like. Quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Abbott BinaxNOW Legionella Urinary Antigen card. Basically, if you see here is the intended use. The BinaxNOW Legionella Urinary Antigen card is an in vitro immunochromatographic assay for the qualitative detection of Legionella pneumophila serogroup 1 antigen in urine specimen from patients with symptoms of pneumonia. It is intended to aid in the presumptive diagnosis of Legionella infection caused by L. pneumophila serogroup 1 in conjunction with culture and other methods. You can see the complete procedure also given in the booklet about the test and how to conduct a test, and sample card procedure is there. So just quickly to summarize here, today we seen the unboxing of Abbott BinaxNOW Legionella Urinary Antigen card. Basically this is a 20 test kit pack, and in a 20 test kit pack you get one booklet with all the complete instruction of the test, and one sample procedure card, and one positive control swab and one negative control swab, and one 5 ml dilute buffer, and 22 individual swabs, sterile swabs, and 22 test cartridges. This is how the total test kits looks like. Okay, thank you.